Hello guys, welcome to science. I just wanted to show you how to get started if you've been a little bit behind on science. So we are doing the Module 5, Soil Emissions. If you click this little arrow, this will just kind of open up all the modules for you if you just click those arrows. So basically this right here is just an introduction to what we're doing. There's a video there you can watch as well. But I just kind of want to walk you through these first 5 missions if you haven't gotten started yet. So the soil quizzes, this is a pre-test. This does not matter what you get as far as the score goes. Let's see, it's a participation grade. All you have to do is click on this picture, take the quiz, and then submit a screenshot of your picture. And you have to share that screenshot with me so that I can see it. So if you click on this picture, it opens this up. You type in your name, and then you click start. When you click start, it's going to ask you a series of questions like this. Right? And you just do the best that you can. Like I said, it doesn't matter what score you get. You just want to work through. There's 25 questions, and you just want to, like I said, answer as many as you can correctly and submit your score. All right, I'm going to save and exit. All right, the next assignment, and you can scroll down and click next activity, or you can hit this back arrow up here. So the next one is Brain Pop. And if you look at this one, it says go to Brain Pop, watch the movie, take the graded soil quiz, submit a screenshot when you finish, and be sure to get a 10 out of 10. You can do this as many times as you want. So if you take it once and you get like a 4 out of 10, please don't submit that. That's a 40%. That's an F. So you want to make sure that if you do get a 40%, you take it again and you do better. So the username is westclaremont_6, and you can just like copy this. Copy, click on this link, and it's going to take you to Brain Pop, and you're going to want to log in first. You can try signing in with Clever, that should work, but you can just type in the username and password. So it's westclaremont_6, and the password is Brain Pop, no caps, no spaces, and you just click login. Once you're in, you're going to watch this movie. It's 3 minutes long. And then you're going to click on the quiz, and you want to click graded quiz so that it gives you a score. And then again, you just go through, you answer the questions, and when you're done answering all the questions, and I'm just kind of like skipping through all these so I can show you what you're going to do when you're done. Obviously, you're not going to just do that. So see, I got a 4 out of 10. That's not a good score. So I would want to do this again, and I can do that by just clicking on soil. It'll take me back to the home page. When you do get the score you want, though, you take a screenshot, and I'm on a PC, not a Chromebook, so I'm just going to hit snipping tool, and I would just take a screenshot like this, and there's my screenshot. I can save it, and yours will automatically save to your Google Drive, so you don't have to worry about any of that. But let's say you do want to take it again, so you'd hit soil, and see, it takes you right back to the home page. So then you can watch the movie again, maybe take some notes, and then you can take the quiz again when you're ready. Okay? So that's how you do Brain Pop. Then when you're done with these assignments, you just scroll all the way down, you hit the plus sign that you guys have here, and you attach the file of the screenshot. All right? If I hit this back button, the next 3 things that you have weathering and erosion. This is just reading and a quiz. So you're going to read through this information, take notes, whatever you do to study and to learn, and then you click start and you take the quiz. After weathering and erosion is soil characteristics, so you'll do the same thing. So you want to read through this passage, take notes, whatever it is you do. There's a video to watch. And then when you're done with that, you hit start, and there's like 5 questions, I think. And again, you have multiple attempts on these, so you can do them as many times as you want to get a good score. And then the very last thing in level 1 is the growing plants gizmo. You've probably done gizmos before, but the gizmos, there's a Google Doc, so you'll click on the Google Doc, and you'll click make a copy. And so you have a Google Doc here, and basically you're going to use this Google Doc to help finish the Gizmo. Click on this picture. This takes you to the Gizmo website. You will log in, click on your class. Hopefully you've already signed up for one of my classes here. If not, email me. I can get you into one of those classes. You're going to click on the Growing Plants Gizmo. You're going to launch that Gizmo. And what you'll see here is you have 3 different pots. You've got 3 different types of plants. You have fertilizer, compost, and basically you're going to just pick one of these plants to grow. It doesn't matter which seed you choose, just make sure you choose the same seed for all 3. And then you're going to pick a variable to test. Maybe you want to test the light. You want to see how light affects a plant. So on this one, you'll have all 3 lights on. On this one, you'll have 2 lights. And on this one, you only have 1 light. And then you want to put some fertilizer in here, some compost. So I'm going to add some fertilizer in each one. Just remember, whatever you're testing, like whatever variable you're testing, like I'm testing light. So that is the only thing that should change, is the amount of light. Everything else should stay the same. The water stays the same, the soil stays the same, and the type of plant stays the same. And then you hit play, and you just watch them grow, and then you're going to record that data on the Google Doc and see if your hypothesis was correct. So like if I go back to the Google Doc, it would be, how does light affect a bean plant? And then I would write a hypothesis, and then you just fill out the 2 data tables, answer the conclusion question, and then you're finished. All right, so that is level 1 of the soil missions. All right, level 2, I've sent some videos for that as well, like on the Soil Horizon notes, so you can watch those if you need help with these. Thanks, guys.